Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to start a new game. We're going to call this game Style Reno Demo. It's inspired by the common childhood, maybe childhood's the wrong phrase, middle school game of fuck, marry, kill. Fuck is to style, marry is to reno, and kill is to demo. So house version of muck. The house version of fuck, marry, kill is style, demo, reno, in my world at least. Pretty much what I'm looking for is this house nearly perfect? I want to fuck it, just style it up and make it more my own. Do I want to be in a long-term commitment with this home? Do I love it so much that I want to marry it / renovate it and preserve a lot of the things that are good about it, but change it a little bit and make it my own? Does it just have no potential? I want to kill it / demo it, and it's just beyond saving and needs somewhat of a wrecking ball situation. The whole demo part is going to be hard for me because I'm someone who really wants to have sustainability as a center part of my design. So reusing things as much as possible is something that I really care about. So a demo, you might have to loosely define demo, but at the same time, it can't just be a reno. I think most things I would probably pick reno. So we're gonna have to navigate that a little bit as we go through. Let's dive in and see what Denver has to offer. January 2025 real estate market. I'm not really sure what we're gonna find in Denver, but let's see. Here we are. I didn't do any price restrictions as of now. You can see that Denver is kind of a large area. Let's go ahead and go into this first house here for 1.2 mil, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,200 square feet. That's kind of like a perfect size, I think. It's just me and my partner, so this would feel very large to us. We're in about 850 or 900 square feet in our apartment, so this would be well over double our space. But this is just design-wise. Let's look. Oh, whoa, there's this weird floor plan situation. I don't know if I've seen this before. Maybe I haven't been on Zillow in a long time. Okay, 2 garage situation. This family room, 30 by 19 and a half. That's a large family room. Looks like the dining room is kind of this segue space, okay, with the kitchen. There is a living room in addition to the family room. So they got a lot of entertaining space here. And oh, it must all be one floor because 3 bedrooms, bada bing, bada boom. But I'm only seeing 1 bathroom. Oh wait, no, primary bathroom. Okay, so both the bathrooms are right here. Closets are all here. Okay, this floor plan seems okay so far. 2 of the bedrooms are a good size. One of them's kind of smaller, but that's fine. That could be an office or something. So this is the house. Corner property. This looks like it's almost more in the burbs, but we'll kind of check out the location in a minute. Okay. Outside, I'm assuming this is the backyard. I love this. There's a lot of brick on the exterior. It looks like there's some wood on the overhang of the roof, which kind of helps break up all the brick. A lot of tile. Interesting. I'm assuming this is the front door with the family room. It's definitely a big family room, but oh wait, no, this is the living room side because I can tell that's the back of the house there. There's kind of this weird gate fence situation. I wonder if that's public on that side. Window's huge. Okay, there's a lot of white. They kept a little bit of the original fireplace, it looks like. Dining room. That looks horrible. This kitchen is interesting with the cabinetry. That little floating island thing is also kind of interesting. I'm not obsessed with the kitchen. I like the cabinets. They're a little busy, but I think I like them. We have some carpet here. I don't know what space this is. I really have no idea what space that is. Is this part of one of the bedrooms? The carpet's pretty bad. The old tile's okay, like, but this new tile, I'm not loving. Yeah, I don't think I mind the cabinetry. Yeah, the outdoor space. Oh, and they have a hot tub. I'm obsessed with the hot tub, honestly. I told my partner that is a requirement when we move next, is I would really like a hot tub. Oh, I think this is like showing me where the pictures are on the right hand of the screen. I just wasn't really paying attention. They have solar. They have a really big, I'm assuming that's the front yard, but gardens. Okay, they're kind of like showing the city, but I don't. Yeah, let's check out where on the map this is. Oh, right next to the Denver Zoo. Oh, they're like right next to the Denver Zoo. I don't really know where that is in Denver, so let's. Oh, they're like pretty close to downtown, actually. Interesting. Okay. I like the exterior. I like the outdoor situation. The kitchen is a solid B in my book. So yeah, let's move on. Maybe I should try to stay. No, let's not stay in the same price range. Let's look through this. Oh, I really don't like this one. Should we just look at the top three? I'm not gonna look at this one. Okay, let's look at these top three. So this 1.175, 2.2 mil, and then this 800,000. These are gonna be our three choices. Okay, let's look at the map first. Okay, this isn't quite as close to downtown Denver. I'm not familiar enough with Denver to like know what areas I would want to buy a house in, so we're not going to take that into too much consideration necessarily. The architecture of this I don't feel like is as exciting as the last one, but I do like the yard. Like I think the shrubs and stuff they have are fine. But yeah, I don't love the architecture necessarily or the exterior. It's very fine to me. I like that they did the little like wood ceiling on the outside. Little porch swing is fun. I don't think I hate this flooring. Everything else is extremely sterile though. These little windows are cute. I think I hate the fireplace. I don't know why the fireplace box is so small. And they like the shape of it, they kind of try to make it modern. But it's not modern. And it's just kind of weirdly put together. Ew, they had a barn door. I hate a barn door. I'll stop when I see something I like. How about that? I like their little like 3-window, how they have 3 windows in like some of their spaces. That's kind of cute. Love this patio. It's not like styled amazingly, but I love the patio. This is fine. That is a horrible design. I wonder why I wonder if they have a floor plan. Oh, they do. Does that take it to the garage? It's to the, yeah, get to the garage it looks like. Not loving any of this. Lots of windows in here. Interesting. Yeah, I'm really not liking this one. And this is by far the most expensive one. Yeah, I really like this patio area. It's so funny how much warmer this feels than like any other picture we've seen so far of this, pretty much. They have turf, which is kind of an L. Like, it's very obviously turf. Okay, yeah, so far, I really dislike this one. Let's see. Okay, so we said 2.2 mil, 5 bed, 5 bath, 4,900 square feet, built in 2017. When was the last one built? Built in 1951. And let me just scroll through the pictures really quick to remind myself. Yeah, this one feels a lot better. Okay, so far, 1.2 mil is definitely feeling better. Oh wait, where did that house just go? Oh, there it is. This 2.2 mil is a shitty one. This one had a price cut on Halloween of last year, so this one has been up for a while. This was built in 1904, by far the oldest. 2 beds, 2 bath, 1,800 square feet, so about double the size of what I currently have in my apartment. This looks like it might be more downtownish than the last one. Oh, maybe close to downtownish. I don't really know anything about these areas, remember that. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the pictures. Exterior is pretty cute. I like the brick and like that green color combination. This like fence situation on the left hand where it's like partially wood and partially brick kind of needs some help, but I do like the idea of it. This brick is super fun, obviously. It's kind of funny that they have like all the blinds like pulled up. Obviously the staging isn't not great, but this brick wall is fantastic. So this is like the living room, family room area. This is the dining room. That light fixture is no good. You can see they don't have like modern AC. This kitchen is interesting. How does this function? Why is there like two? Okay, the kitchen is oddly laid out, I will say. The backsplash is interesting. This bathroom. Okay, I just got excited. The tile looks cool. It doesn't look original, but it's hard to tell. That toilet with the black toilet seat's kind of funny, but I actually think I like it. Bathtub is cool. I love that they kept the wood window and then it's like on an angle. That light fixture is pretty bad. This looks like it might be original hardwood up here. What was downstairs? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I think maybe this is all original hardwood. I'm not sure though. It is that tone of like cherry that is kind of hard, but if it's original hardwood, that's nice. Yeah, I like kind of like this built-in storage. This is like a baby room, which I don't fuck with, but you know, a lot of people do. I'm interested about this like shape. How it kind of has this like diagonal, that like accent wall is kind of highlighting. The wood door, I love that. It's the dining room again. There is an upstairs downstairs situation, which is interesting. That floor is poopy. Is that like a Dutch door? Is that what they call a Dutch door where the top opens? I'm very interested in that. I like that the railing has like this black accent. I think this is that same bathroom as before. Obviously it's very white and black, but I do like how they kept the wood window frame because that really warms it up. That is the front yard. Do we see a fireplace? I see the like thing for a fireplace, but I can't. Why am I not recalling? Oh, they have a little front porch swing too. It's interesting that they painted the ceiling black here, but I like it. Pretty good sized backyard. Little patio situation-esque thing, and looks like they might have like a shed or two. Detached garage. Oh, they have this like lower situation. I don't know if this is the garage or the lower. That's kind of interesting. Okay, wait, I want to go back and see it. Is there like a cool fireplace that I missed? Okay, I don't think I saw a fireplace, so they must have removed the fireplace for some reason. Okay, so style, reno, demo. This is the hard part. So this last one, the 800,000 one, I'm in between style and reno because out of all of them, this one needs the least amount of renovations. So I think I'm going to put style onto this one because it's really good for the most part in comparison to the other two. So this one is my favorite. I can say that blanket statement, which means I think that it's a style, even though the reno is supposed to be like marry long-term future situation. I think this is style for me because it needs the least amount of work. So we're gonna do that. We'll say this one, we'll call this Logan Street because that's the street name. Logan Street. I'm a fan of you. I would style you. I think I would demo this 2.2 million because it is rough. Yeah. I actually think this is, I mean, again, when I say demo, I don't mean like start completely over. Like I think my demo and reno are gonna have overlap because demoing and building is so not environmentally great, especially if you're just gonna rebuild something similar. So maybe we'll do like down to the studs renovation equals demo, and reno just means like aesthetic facelift. So the reno, we're gonna go to Avenue Parkway, the 1.2 mil, and then demo is going to Monroe Street. So there we go. Style Logan, Reno Avenue, and demo Monroe. That is the final decision. Okay, if you thought this was fun, I would love to make this into a series. Please let me know if I need to make like better definitions of these three distinctions, and also tell me if there's like a certain price range you want me to do it in and a city, because Denver is somewhere that I would definitely consider living. So it's kind of fun for me to see the different real estate stuff there. So let me know, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.